Rhode Island law enforcement officers aggressively pursue drunk and impaired drivers. The Rhode Island State Police routinely arrest drivers when they have probable cause to believe that the drivers are operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Local police departments will also arrest drunk and impaired drivers. Arrests and convictions can be based on the observations of an officer, or they can be based on the readings of a chemical or breath test. A reading of 0.08 alcohol shown by a chemical test of blood, urine, or breath is enough to support a conviction for driving under the influence. When the percentage of alcohol impairment is higher than 0.08, the penalty can be increased. Anyone who drives a car in Rhode Island gives implied consent to chemical testing if a police officer has reasonable grounds to request such a test. Refusal to submit to testing can lead to a preliminary license suspension, fines, and a permanent license suspension for up to a year. Penalties for driving under the influence can include a fine, mandatory community service, attendance at a course on driving under the influence of a controlled substance, suspension of your driver's license, and up to 1 year in jail. In some cases, the defendant can apply to the court for a hardship license to allow the driver to go to work or to medical appointments or for other reasons that are approved by a judge. The court will also require drivers to install an interlock device on their vehicle. The interlock prevents a car from being started if alcohol is detected on the breath of a driver. A second offense for driving under the influence or for refusing a chemical test will be treated more harshly in Rhode Island courts. If someone is injured in an accident by an intoxicated driver, a jail sentence is likely. Rhode Island's drunk driving laws can be complex, and they can change from year to year. This is not something that you should try to handle on your own. The best way to build a defense or to reduce potential penalties is to retain an attorney who handles DUI cases.